Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video, we are going to discuss about text card. Okay, so in this text card, you can mention any text, okay, it is anything, category, subcategory, region, city, states, anything. Okay, so basically in this text card, we are mention any of the text. For example, if you want to show a subcategory which is having maximum sales, okay, so these kind of statements you can show it on the text card. Okay, so let's just open our Power BI desktop. Okay, so this is our Power BI desktop, and here we are using the same data set which we are using in this whole series. Okay, and here we have, for example, in this visualization pen, okay, in this visualization pen, here we have this text card. Okay, this is known as text card. Just simply click on this card. Okay, and here it looks like this. And if you want to show a sales, okay, subcategory which is having the maximum sale. Okay, let's first find what is the which subcategory is having the maximum sales. So for that, you just need to select this table. Okay, put subcategory here and sales. Okay, and let's just see, just open it on, just back. Okay, just increase the text size so that it is more visible to you. Okay, now header, column headers, increase the size of column headers too. Okay, so this is our subcategory and this is our sales. Okay, now just click on this arrow which is here and it will sort your data. Okay, so in subcategories, the phones is having the maximum sales. Okay, now we want to show it on the basis of text card. Okay, so here just click in this card, okay, and select the subcategory. Okay, so now here it will show you the accessories name. Okay, so it will show you the name according to their alphabetical order. Okay, now if you want to show the subcategory name which is having the maximum sales, okay, then you should use this filter pen which is here. Okay, so in this filter pen we have some of the filters. Okay, so here you have this filter on all pages, filter on this page. Okay, and which is the main filter is this, which is filter on the visual. Okay, so here we are selected this visual and we need to apply this filter on these particular visuals. Okay, so that's why we are using this filter. Okay, and just click on this arrow. Okay, you open this filter on visuals, and here we have this add data fields here. Okay, so just put this subcategory here and select top end filter type, and here I want only one. Okay, and here you need to provide these sales on the basis of which you need to provide filter. Here you can just put some of the sales. You just need to drag and drop the sales here, and don't forget to click on this apply filter button. When you apply when you click on this filter, you can see here it will return phones. Okay, so that's how you can use cards. Okay, and you can also provide this title here. Okay, it is not the correct title for this first subcategory. You need to remove this and put maximum sales. Okay, so you can see here it will return phones is having maximum sales. Okay, you can also create it for profit, quantity. Okay, let's see. This is removed. No, do not click on anything. Okay, so let's just do same with the quantity. Okay, apply filter here by just clicking on this arrow. Okay, so here binders having the maximum quantity sold. Okay, so let's just create one more card. Just click on the canvas, select one card, and here we are doing the same process. Okay, just select subcategory, add here, and choose basic filter. which is top n, and provide the names which you want. Okay, and here we need to mention on the basis of which we want our subcategory. So here we want according to, no sorry, I just put sales here, we want according to quantity. Okay, just drag and drop this quantity column here. Don't forget to click on the apply filter button. When you just click on this apply filter, sorry, we need to first select the subcategory here. Okay, so it will show you the binders, okay, which is having the maximum quantity sold. Okay, so that's how you can create a cart in Power BI desktop. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more such videos.